Let's take a look at these cute plushies and purse. This is a cute looking chick. It's really well made and quite squeezable. I'm not sure where they would use this though. I don't think it's strong enough to carry your keys. So maybe just hook it onto your backpack or something like that. And it also has a nice texture to it. This is a coin purse. It's from I'm guessing a cartoon called Moonmin. Really cute purse with a matching chain. You could also carry your headphones in this. Again, quite nice. This is a toast shaped squishy charm. Again, it's really squishy. That's quite satisfying to do. It's like squeezing the real bread. It has the same texture. It even has a nice smell to it, quite fragrant. Quite nice. Check it out.